Hey you guys. I did part 2 just yesterday and part 1 for this keyboard unboxing I did about 9 days ago. So it just depends on everything, literally everything. Do I have time? Which I have time now, so I'm excited to get into this, you guys. Let's just jump right in. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to use this piano. I am going to read the notes and I'm just gonna plan how I'm gonna do the video because I haven't planned the video out. Sometimes I do that, but I think I'm just gonna go in and read and then show you guys so I know what I'm actually talking about. So I'll be pausing this every once in a while. So first we have these stickers, and we're gonna look for number 1 and go from the leftmost key to the rightmost key in sequential order of the numbers you see at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So as you can see, the white keys are placed nicely. I placed them at the very tip, and you have to use precise movement of your fingers to get them just on point within the key. And then there is also a sheet with the notes for all of those. So it's all sequential order, and there's a grand total of 61 keys. So let's get into the instructions for this. Alright, so this part is very simple, as you're just corresponding the numbers, and it goes in order throughout the entire keyboard. So we are now going into the preparation for use. In the battery, there is a battery power which you can use 6 AA batteries, and then you want to use new alkaline. You don't want to use any that were pre-used, and that is just so it doesn't have a lower functioning ability and volume and certain other kinds of functions due to the battery deficiency. So make sure they're new. The AC DC power adapter that comes with it, you'll plug that into that right there. So it'll all be on the rear of the piano, right back in the rear back here. So the next one, the headphones, which the headphones were included with this model. Then you plug that into the phone's output, which is the same thing as the phones and the slash output. The audio outlets, or the audio output, is going to be an amplifier or a speaker that you would have to have an audio cable for yourself, not provided. And you would want to keep this device powered off, as well as the amplifying device or the speaker, until it's plugged in. You can turn them on. Now the microphone was also included with this model, so that is just for singing or even dropping some beats if you don't want to sing. It'll probably have a purpose. I'll probably use it for something. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna ever use it to sing, but yeah. Then you get into the audio inputs, which is an example MP3, a computer. You're gonna be able to just transfer the song like a file, or your mobile phone, and you would have to have your own audio input device or jack for this, and not provided, and keep this and that device powered off until each is connected. Okay, basic operations. So you are going to want to, and I couldn't really show you anything from the back, so I'll actually show you and point as I go along here. So there's a sleep mode on here. So for 15 minutes after use, it will sleep. You can press any key or button to activate, and there's a power saving mode. You can pause if you want to read anything specifically. It should be readable. And I can, well, I don't have the ability to actually add in subtitles. I think YouTube does that, but that would be really nice. Master volume is going to just be like the accompaniment volume. It just has to do with, I guess, the speakers and different kinds of, the keys with yeah, obvious stuff there, but you can press them both plus and minus to get to one volume at a default value. So we get into the timbres, and there are 254 of these timbres. The timbres are, and then rhythms. So it only shows 126 of rhythms and 105 with the timbres, but it ranges. So when you use these keypads, you can press plus or minus, or the numbers to get to the specific one you want. After pressing the specific button that goes with the timbres, that's timbre, and then that's rhythm. And then you have 24 demo songs, which I'll get into that. I know I've got to go kind of fast, but yeah, so the percussions, there are 8 of these, which correspond with a picture. Pick the desired one and just test out how it sounds. As you can see here, with the next part, you have all of them corresponding to certain keys, and you'll get that very sound. So, yeah, they all have one picture for each key. Some of them match, so you're just gonna turn that on. You can press that. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So yeah, just press keyboard percussion button right here, and then you can do that once you select it. Okay, so the demonstration songs. There are 24 demonstration songs. You can press this, and then press in a number, or press demo song again, I guess, to skip one of the 24 songs. So that is that. And one more thing before I get into these next pages. Please pause if you need to, because I am going fast. Another thing is these. Wait, let's see here. This is just because of the YouTube special of an unboxing. Going through this for my fellow, subscribers or people who just happen to see this, well, I'm going to be going the extra mile for you guys by just going through everything, so you guys don't have to. I hope this helps in a new way. I hope to help. And so now we will be diving into all the pages as I go and read them. Just in case you want to pause on these, I'm going to allow for a pause in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next page. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Alright, so now I'm going to read the next page and I'll be back. So the next page is auto rhythm. So this is all one big jumble here. Selecting a rhythm, you can go while the tempo to slow and start the tempo, which is going to be 120 beats per minute, is what I think it says for the default. So then your accompaniment volume is going to just be a side sound when you press start and stop button once. With that going, the master volume, then that starts tempo and what else here? So the number 1 is to just press the rhythm. Start a rhythm by first selecting the rhythm button, and then go to the sync button, which is displayed right here. Yeah, okay. That syncs the 2 volumes, or the accompaniment and the master volume, side by side while you're playing. They're synced. Okay, so then the next thing says to press the sync button. Then you can just press the 19 keys of the leftmost chords. These 19 leftmost chords. I think that those are the only ones, but that could just be an example. But yeah, then you can use those. Press the fill in button to add in an interlude, which I guess is something that combines with that, or something in between. I am a beginner, so I am not exactly sure. Then you have the stop start button, which is just going to help you to you just start the rhythm after you press it again. So that's a very handy button, the start stop button. It allows you to switch between, I'm pretty sure, the timbre and the rhythm and these other functions. Then the adjusting of the tempo, yeah, that's just where you press the tempo minus or plus sign. Then that's pretty much it for that page there. So I know you guys can't really see the words, so hopefully my pointing, I would say it was good. I would say if I do a tutorial next time, I could have done something like I take my tripod like this and scoot it in even more so. But I'm going to trust that this video was good because I kind of had to restart something because I wasn't exactly sure. I know what I'm doing now. Now this next page here, I don't know anything about any of that. So that's just something I'm going to have to learn about, the single finger chord scales and the fingered chord scales. Single chord, this is just when the rhythm is activated. You're going to press this single chord button to activate any of the chords or the white keys that you can use that on. Same with pressing it again will disable it. So with the finger chords, it's the same thing, except, just press that button, finger chord button. And then you are going to want to do the exact same thing, use these white keys for that, and then disable by pressing it again. So now you have voice effects. So sustain and vibrato are found. Sustain, vibrato. So then there is the recording and programming. Press record, which is right here, and it'll automatically start recording when you play. And it can get full, so I guess there's ways you can either delete it or maybe transfer it to another device like your phone if you want to keep it to add in more storage once it's full. And that information is on this LED display. When it says battery information about certain key functions. So press the play button to play that recording, which play button is right here. Okay, so okay. Then you can just press those buttons again to either stop the function or press start and stop. That will disable it. Or exit, and then it'll be deleted once you press those buttons. So I wouldn't recommend it unless you're sure you want to delete what you did. So the programming. Okay, press program right here to be able to use the keyboard percussion functions as you play, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, it has to do with these symbols corresponding to the keys, those 8 symbols. And you can generate up to 32 unique rhythms. Press play to play it back, start stop to exit. And that's pretty much it. And now this is the last page, and then we get to, I'll just show you guys this afterwards. I'm not going to read this. This is just the the timbres and the rhythm selections. So, one key, follow, and ensemble. One key, follow, ensemble. So for the one key, this is for a tutorial of one of those 24 songs, where you can just follow along with the notes, and it'll play as you kind of follow along with it. Actually, no, wait, yeah. That's one key, and then follow is actually where it'll stop if you get it incorrectly. So I would assume follow is more for the beginner level. You're supposed to, I don't know if the notes appear to the song because I don't have any music sheets along with this, but I will get music sheets eventually. I will find some music. Now, it'll have tutorials for those two, so you can learn those songs. Now, the ensemble is going to be singing timing and pitch for that, and I don't know if I will be using any of those functions. But as always, you can press it again or start and stop to exit from these. And, as always, the numeric pad to find which function, either it's going to be a song, it's going to be a rhythm, or a timbre that you're going to find with that. So the last page, hopefully you can see all these. Yeah, if you pause it, you should be able to see them all. If you want to, this is for just anybody who's curious, or if somebody, say, lost their instructions. Alright, well, that does it for that. The finale is just going to mean be playing around with it a little bit. I'm not going to be using every function, I'm just going to do something super basic. I'm not even sure yet. And I will use those devices above and plug those in to the back just to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to plug in the mic right here. You can't really see that much, but I'm just going to kind of do it anyways. Alright, place that there nicely. Pretty much untangled these. Alright, so we have the headphones. So the headphones are going to go into the phones / output. Output is also for speakers. Input or output. Did that right here. And then the AC adapter, which is right here. You can keep the little twisty things. These. I don't know what I would do with them, but there are purposes for everything and anything. So, alright. Then this is the audio input. You would have to have your own device for that, or own piece. Same with the speaker. This is a U-disc. I don't exactly know what that is, but it's there and it's a thing. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna flip that around and I'm going to play something, or not even a song. I don't exactly know. I have one thing actually. Yes, I do have one thing. So stay excited for that. Alright, so I'm pretty sure the default is 000, acoustic grand piano, but I have no idea. It just started with a set piano that I guess I'm used to, the normal. Oh, here's what I'm gonna play. Okay, I think it's called Upper Road. Yeah, that's what it's called. Oh, wait, let me change something real quick. Alright, here we go. That's pretty much it. That's all I know. Let me play that on another scale. Oh, that was... Wait, I messed up. Hold on, next scale. Yep, one off. Okay. Let me play around with it a little bit. So, to finish up the video, there is 3 examples I'm going to do based on the instructions. I'm going to start with the percussions. So, I'm going to go here to keyboard percussion. Press that. Now it is on. So I'm going to assume you guys can hear it at the lowest volume. Yeah, I'm going to go down to the lowest volume, assuming you guys can hear it all. Okay, so... The All Company. I could kind of try and guess. I can guess what some of them are. I mean, 3 of them look like cymbals. I'm going to try a few beats. Wait, oh, it's terrible. But you know what? This is what happens when you start. Okay, maybe I just do a little bit more. Not much more. I don't know. Yeah, you get the point. Okay, so let's move on to what's the next one? The demonstration songs. I'm just gonna press this and the song is gonna start like right away. And then I'll show you guys a couple more. I'm not even gonna go through the entire the songs, just the first two. All right. I think the first two or three might be the ones I bought to the most or like the most. I don't know, that one's slow. Okay, so for the last part of this video, I'm just going to do something random. So, I'm going to start by picking an instrument. I had to keep redoing this because I kept making a few mistakes. I'm going to choose Clarinet 8, 174. I can't do the, because it's like not very nice on it. You get the point. So, anyways, I am going to see if I can combine that with a demo song. I tried. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select my instrument. I'm going to pick a rhythm. And I'm going to press start stop. Let's do a random one like Latin rock 37. It's hilarious. Alright. Let me do a random demo song. Let me change that. Random 45. Huh? Okay, I can't ruin these demo songs. They're too good to be ruined. But yeah, I had fun doing that. I just played around. Hopefully this was somewhat enjoyable. I don't know. But I had fun doing that. So the last thing I want to say in this video is just wipe it down with, I guess it says at the very top, spot clean with the soft dry cloth only. So I don't know if you can spray natural stuff on it to clean it away. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use a natural cleaner with a soft dry cloth so I can actually disinfect this just in case. And also I am going to do another thing. I'm trying to think. I'm going to keep the boxes. So if you open this, keep those boxes until you know it works wonders for like a month. Maybe a good month to keep it all. That's all I have for advice. You can literally, it's awesome how portable it is. You can take it out and unscrew it from the base, and then like play it anywhere, or just have this setup. Uh, have a great day, everyone. And when I do come back again, it's not going to sound like this. Okay, so hopefully I know where to begin and I can learn my lessons. I am not sure if I'm going to actually pay. I'm probably not going to use anything paid. I'm probably just going to find music sheets, practice with some of these demo songs, and just see what I can find. We might have some things, so I am looking for. Ooh, and I could make my own music if I got that far. So, yeah, just have a great day, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.